Patisserie style strawberry Victoria sponge cake using the all-in-one method. This recipe uses the following. For the sponge, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of fat, 200 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, which is about 200 grams, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the cream, 500 ml of cream and sugar and vanilla extract to taste. For decoration, you'll need strawberry jam and fresh strawberries. The quantities will vary. Make sure that the fat is at room temperature before you start mixing. Preheat the oven at 190 degrees centigrade, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 5. Grease 2 20cm sandwich tins. You will need either a stand mixer or a hand mixer for this recipe. Place all the ingredients into a bowl. Mix, starting slowly and gradually speeding up to full speed. Once the mixture has creamed and looks pale, put it into the grease and lined baking tins. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the sponges are browned, and if you press them, they bounce back. You can put a skewer or the blade of a knife into the cake, and if it comes out clean, the cake is done. Cool in the tins for 10 minutes and then turn them out onto a cooling rack. Allow them to cool completely. Put about 500 milliliters of cream into a bowl. Add vanilla extract and sugar to taste. Mix on slow to start and then gradually bring up the speed. Mix until peaks stand straight up. I find using a stand mixer, I need to give it a further couple of minutes with a hand whisk. With the sponges flat side up, spread strawberry jam on both. Leave a little space around the edge. Choose one for the bottom layer. Pipe concentric rings of cream, getting smaller as you get to the center. Place the other sponge on top. Using a star nozzle, pipe swirls of cream around the edge of the cake, partly onto the jam. To pipe the swirls, hold the bag vertical and pipe in a tight circle. As you stop piping, lift the bag straight up. Hull and chop some strawberries. The amount you will need depends on how big the strawberries are. I would start with less than you think you will need and chop as needed. Take 4 or 5 strawberries and quarter them, leaving the stalks in. Place a quarter on each swirl. Any that are left can be chopped and join those on top of the cake. Serve a slice and enjoy with a nice hot drink.